Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete items from your cart in the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. How to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app, then go to your cart on the bottom middle. And here you will see I have some items in my cart. If I tap on the minus, I am deleting, or I can just tap on the item and swipe to the left. Tap on the item and swipe to the left, and it's deleted. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.